go, super snacks for lunch. Sausage rolls. Oh wow, that's a bit of a treat. Okay, I better not waste time before we eat them. We'll do a very quick update out here. We did have some sunshine, but it's back raining again at the moment. Haven't done anything else out here because I've been busy this morning. Yeah, you'll have to wait for the video to find out what I've been busy on. Hi guys, time for our midday snack. Got a bit of a selection here. That's ham and brie in a roll, cheese and ham and tomato, and crisps, coffee for Nanny, fruit juice for me, and whatever for our guest whenever they come in. So out here, Nanny's got the washing in the conservatory because the sun was shining, which makes it nice and hot in here. And I'm doing some more work on that tractor, which I didn't think I was going to do. I was planning to do a solar thingy, solar robot. In fact, I might still do that because I'm printing something for the tractor now. So, time for a snack. Hi guys, midday snack. Toast and marmalade, toast and blackcurrant jam, coffee. And out here, we've been getting sunshine, so Nanny's got the washing in here, drying it, because it gets nice and hot in here. And because it's sunshine, I've been doing the solar 4-in-1 solar dino, or dino. So that's working. It's working extremely well. I'm very impressed with it. Oh, and over there, that's the wind blowing the branches, putting shadows over my solar tracker. So that's why it's going backwards and forwards. We'll just have a quick look out there at the sunshine, because it's nice to see the sunshine. And the sun. And there we go, midday snack. Well guys, midday snack time. Ham and tomato sandwiches with crisps and fruit juice. Outside, it's rained a bit, it's been sunny a bit, sort of that sort of time of year, I guess. Replaced the spring, and it doesn't seem to be as powerful as the orange PLA. This silver PLA seems a bit, seems more flexible, I suppose is the way to put it. So it doesn't have so much spring in it. So with the big wheels, it didn't go very far at all. Tried it with the small wheels and we're back to getting wheel spin with it. So that's not the fix either. I'm going to try and print another spring using the blue PLA instead. See if that's springier. But we've stopped for midday snack now. Hi guys, midday snack time. Gammon sandwiches apparently. left over from yesterday's meal with crisps and fruit juice. Looks like the sun's gone in. It's been sunny all morning with passing clouds. Yeah, okay, haven't done anything else out here since this morning. So I've already told you in this morning's video I was working on the wind-up car with different springs. I've been doing YouTube comments this morning. It takes time to get through them all. Oh, and edit a few videos as well. So, snack time. Midday snack. Cranberry, raisin and cashew bloomer. We've had that a few times and we rather like it. With coffee. And the washing machine. And a sunny day out there. And Nanny's got the washing out on the line. And I've been playing with paper aeroplanes or cardboard aeroplanes. Haven't done anything to electronic lab yet. Yeah. Got to put that away. I've finished working on that for now. Although I have had a suggestion from somebody about something else I could do to it, which I'll think about. We'll see. Snack time. Midday snack time, guys. Toast today. Toast and jam, toast and marmalade, tea and coffee. Hasn't got as bright and sunny as it promised first thing this morning. Thought we were going to have a really hot day. It stayed overcast. I did get out in the back garden. I was able to fly the glider. I can report that flies absolutely fine. Across the garden, we're not talking great distances or anything. So that's 3 gliders made from cardboard. Solar rockers are going. And there's washing out on the line, and as you can see, washing in here, drying, because it's warmer in here. And that's it. Snack time. Hi guys, midday snack. Cream tea. Nanny's ahead of me. She's got hers done already. I haven't done mine yet. I'll do them in a second. Just bring you up to date with what I've been doing this morning. I have actually been looking at this electric stapler, seeing if I can replace the temporary fix I did a few years ago. 3D printing some bits to go in there. Other than that, not much to report. Cleared up a little bit. There's a bit of blue sky up there. It's been relatively warm. We've been out shopping, food shopping, which is why we've treated ourselves to cream tea. Hi guys. Midday snack, fruit juice, sandwiches. That looks like ham and sweet peppers and crisps. I just spent all morning vacuuming the upstairs. That took me a while. Probably more exercise than I've done in ages. I did find time to try out the boat and it worked fine. So the next thing to do is see if we can replicate the original, which was using magnets to operate the tiller flapper. Tiller is probably a good word for it, actually. So we'll be doing that after dinner, I think. Still a grey day out there. No sunshine as such. No blue sky. But not raining either. Right, so snack time. Hi guys, midday snack time. Back on the toast and jam. Just about run out of my marmalade, so I might have some honey instead. Haven't decided yet. Out here, I already showed you this morning. I haven't done any more since then. This is my new design. Haven't cleaned it off yet, so I don't expect it will fit together. That sort of goes. No, I need to clean it a bit first. That goes the other way up to what I've just done. Magnets go in there and there. Okay. Still grey, sun hasn't come out. Lots of bird song, lots of birds. Certainly our neighbour's bird feeder is working. Oh, I know something I haven't done for quite a while. Let's have a look at the voltage on here. Plug that in. 1.42 volts. Plenty of power in there. Right. Well, better have me snack. Nanny has to wait till I've finished filming before she can have hers. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.